We had said good possibility that we will get to the 68.5 target. Today seemed to be an aggressive day on the long side, and they're really making us become aggressive traders if you want to participate. So anytime we get near the targets, peel something out. And a reminder, we can go to any day high. Marginal highs are the worst, the ones that get you by a tick or two and pull back. And we said there are several ways we could play today. One is be aggressive if we're playing and buy it with the understanding that we are trying to test above the 65s into the 68 region first. T1 today is 68.5. And the potential to get even into the 70s later. So all I know is I'm going to keep my eye on IB low. That's intact. Squeeze is intact. We had the potential target 2 today into the 72, 73 region. Doesn't have to get there. As you get into the higher targets here, obviously risk and reward will start to change. My guess is we'll see 68.5 anyways before we're done today. And anybody that shorts today, make sure you use stop outs. Don't ruin your account in one day trying to be a hero in a rabid dog day up. And Mike, we had talked about that earlier, right? When you had said when the 61.25 was it, and I said good possibility. Absolutely. You just see it. 15-minute chart in play. 10-minute chart was in play. Don't have to do anything fancy in this business. $120 charts in play, the 30s in play. Look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ, we said a couple of minutes ago, right? Target was possibly at the 22s. Done. XLF, cranking. $15-minute chart looking good. 30s and 60s okay. 20 cranking. I got 3 little Indians inside here, so be careful. We get near 68, take something for sure. And then obviously if you're looking at the Grail trades in here, this previous area right here, where we were originally had a demon, this becomes supportive first time back. This was originally resistance, and now it's become support to try to drive and see if there's anything left in the gas tank. So anybody played aggressively long side, congrats. Shorts, we said probably, why would you think that we're going to get the same kind of a day today that we had yesterday? That was yesterday. Law of alternation said, think about it going the opposite direction. So there were 2 other alternatives to that. One was just miserable chop, and one was to squeeze higher. We got the squeeze higher. And quite frankly, I'd rather have the squeeze higher than just sit here and miserable chop with nobody getting anything. So we're about a point away from the projected, first target. We'd said the other day that probably 65 to 68 would be the next, zone. And then anything above that the market wants to get. So today's plan, buy pullbacks, Look for a squeeze. Simple. Don't make this business complicated. Beautiful support from yesterday's low. And almost got our blue line. And anybody that's yeehaw now, remember, markets can turn at any time. And those of you who are looking for scalp short, you'll probably do better looking for the contra at lunchtime. And I said I doubt that we were going to get big pullback, that would be getting 2-3 point type pullbacks, because that's how the squeeze move works.